Today, it's about young people from very different backgrounds, provinces, coming together and saying to all of us, if you empower us as the future of this country, share your wisdom with us, we have the ability, capability. As I sit down, Dabezit, I also want to say one of the things that Alimdad made me humble myself every day is that the young people that will be speaking, they've taken them to school, given them bursaries so that they can become experts in agriculture. The other one was telling me he's doing his master's. From nothing to a master's student, he passed it junior degree, the honors, all under the support of Alimdad.